Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video this morning on Aster. We're back again, and it's going to be quite a critical update, dare I say emergency update, because we actually had a change of or a shift in momentum for Aster. I mean, yesterday in my video I told you, and I'm still very happy with the video I made, but I told you I think it's getting more and more likely that we're going to get a breakout above 2.15. Which was wrong, or at least, I mean, it's not over yet. I think it's too early to judge whether that was wrong or not, since there's also no breakdown. Aster is basically just following this consolidation right here. And what I said in the video, and I've stressed this in every video, is that yes, I mean, I thought it was more and more likely we would get a bullish breakout, but I also told you we need to wait for 2.15 to break, then I will enter. And you can see that in my videos. I posted about that on X as well. And on YouTube posts, I think as well. But that doesn't matter. This is relevant because one of the key reasons, technically, why I thought it was most likely that Aster was going to get a bullish breakout is because we had compression against the resistance level, right? So the main resistance level is right here around 2.15. And what you can see is that Aster was more and more inching closer towards that level. And very often when you see something like that, you're going to at some point of time pop off and break out. And what happened right now, and that's also in the thumbnail, is that you could show the momentum with a trend line like this. We still respected that yesterday morning, and we broke that. All right, and we not only broke that trend line, we broke the 7-day rolling VWAP, which was functioning as support. We broke the 4-hour trend band right here, which was somewhat functioning as support. But this greatly reduces the chances of getting a bullish breakout. Now, do I still think it's a possibility? Yes. I mean, BNB is still very strong, right? Over the course of the last 2 hours, Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance has grown. So Bitcoin has been relatively strong. There's only one coin that's stronger than Bitcoin, and that's BNB. Just yesterday, we also had news that YFI Labs, aka Binance Labs, was going to invest more in the BNB ecosystem. And even today, I mean, you can see coins like Form. Okay, Form didn't do so great today, but yesterday it did very great. But something like Form is doing great. And there's many such cases of BNB ecosystem coins that are still doing great. Maybe not over the course of this morning, but still yesterday evening, right? So that's not that long ago. So therefore, do I still think a bullish breakout is a possibility? Yes, but in terms of the technicals, in terms of how I'm going to trade Aster, and what I'm going to tell you, I think it's 50-50 again, right? I think it's 50-50 again in the sense that we are in a consolidation. If I would have to name two levels specifically that we are consolidating between, it's 1.74, that's to the downside, and 2.15. And we're going to break one of those two levels fairly soon. I would say in the next week, it's very likely we're going to break one of those two levels, but I would say it's a 50 chance probability for both to happen. Maybe because of the recent price action, I'm a little bit like 55, 45, inching towards getting a bearish breakout again, right? So basically the two different scenarios for Aster are right here. We drop down below 1.74, we drop down into that level at probably 1.4, 1.35, or we break out above 2.15 and we rally up to 2.5. Now, some of you might now say that, you're saying the price is going to go up or down. Great prediction. Yes, I am telling you that, all right? Sometimes in analysis, in trading, it's impossible to know what's going to happen. And it's better to just be ready for both scenarios and know how to trade both scenarios. So if you cannot see that value, that's fine, obviously. Then there's no point in trying to convince you. But I'm making these videos for the people that do see value in that, and I know that there's some people that understand that out there. So yeah, that's what I think you need to know for now. If you really want a prediction, I'm going to say that this is most likely, but that's by a very tiny margin. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If it becomes more clear, I'll make a new update, of course. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. Have a great day, everybody. And bye.